We'll guide you through how to fix Microsoft Excel not responding. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I've managed to fix this problem before, so let's get started. First of all, go and close Excel. So you can click on the search at the bottom, type in Task Manager and open it. Find Excel and you can press End Task. Now head to the bottom and you can click on the Windows Start button and press Settings. In Settings, find Apps over to the left and click Installed Apps. Click on Search at the top and you need to go and type in 365. Go to the right and press the three dots and press Modify. You'll get a Windows Security pop-up which you need to agree to. We can now run a repair. We can start by doing a quick repair. If that doesn't work, we could do an online one later. So you can press Repair with it selected and start it. When it's finished, you can press Close. Now try opening it and hopefully it's solved. If it isn't, you can try the other repair option and hopefully that'll fix it. If you found this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future. Have a great day.